Manas Chitra Kriya, as codified and taught by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri Guru Maharaj ki in his Yoga Step by Step, Lesson 34. A simple form of relaxation can often be experienced while listening to beautiful music or watching a tranquil pastoral scene. That stage of relaxation is a passive one. There is a dynamic side to this same state that in Jnana Yoga is called Manas Chitra Kriya, painting a mental picture. There are 3 different possibilities for this Kriya. We will first illustrate them, and then you may pick one in the practice of this relaxation. Number 1, imagine a beautiful picture of your own choice and move your head as though you were moving your eyes to look at the subtle details of the picture. Please remember that your head must move as your eyes are closed. The picture is a mental picture. After taking in all of the details of the picture and moving your head appropriately, shift your head as though gazing at the frame or enclosure of the picture and study the details of the frame. Start at the top of the picture, then move to the bottom of the picture, taking in every subtle detail that your imagination produces for you. Number 2, imagine that you have a clear slate or canvas in front of you. With the eyes closed, draw or paint a beautiful scene or picture of your own choice, using your nose as the paintbrush. Be very detailed so that the movement of your head on the neck produces the relaxation. When the picture is completed, sign with your nose with your full signature. Number 3. Anytime that you feel tense, close your eyes and imagine that your nose is a pen and write your name in giant script over and over, twisting and turning your head on the neck appropriately to sign your name. Do it slowly at first and then more rapidly. In all of these practices, the shoulders are kept held up while your nose moves your head in various movements, producing a sense of ease and relaxation to the whole body. This is also a practice that allows you to focusing on your mental picture or on your signature, so that there may be some space between thoughts, ultimately calming your mind down into a state of relaxed ease. These 3 practices are done from a relaxed and upheld posture, the Vajrasana. So take a seat in the Vajrasana facing the north. We will perform 3 rounds of Dauti Pranayama or the Mukha Bhastrika, the cleansing breath, so that we may enhance the benefits of this Kriya. The hands in Vajrasana are on your thighs, knees and heels together. We will take in a deep breath, puckering our mouth out in the Kaki Mudra, blasting out the breath in multiple whooshes as we lower the head and torso down to the floor. After the 3rd time, we will be in Dharmikasana for a few breaths. So taking a deep breath in, Kaki Mudra. Inhale, lift your chin up, come back to Vajrasana. Inhale, lift your chin up. One more time. While in Dharmitasana, let your nose be between your knees or as close as possible, hands to the soles of the feet. Relax your shoulders, your lips, your jaw muscles and your eyes. Prepare yourself to be aware, mindful, and full of care for this Manas Chitra Kriya. On your next inhale, lift your chin, come back up to Vajrasana. Here, as for all our Jnana Kriyas, we will perform 9 rounds of Savitri Pranayama in the 6x3 count. Exhale to prepare. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. In. Hold. Out. Hold. 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 And relax. You may now choose one of the three options outlined in this Kriya. Choosing a beautiful picture of your own choice and move your head as you observe the details, frame to frame, with care and attention. Or imagine a clean slate and use your nose as a brush to paint your own picture, signing it with your full name at the end. Or use your nose as a paintbrush to write your name in giant characters over and over again, from slow to fast. We will be practicing this for a few minutes. So make your choice. Keep your torso erect in the Vajrasana. Shoulders relaxed and erect. And begin moving your nose and your head in gentle movements. Stretching your neck as you continue breathing gently, deeply, and rhythmically. Just a few more rounds of breath to finish watching the details of the picture, or if you're drawing your mental picture, to sign it, or if you're using your nose to write your name, to go a little bit faster. And as we complete this Jnana Kriya for now, witness yourself as you sit up, breathe rhythmically and deeply. Witness yourself and how you are feeling from the inside out, particularly the area of your neck, skull, brain, and then the full sphere of your kosha, of your manas. The quality of your mind. We bring our hands together in Namaskara Mudra, intone, invoke and evoke the pranava Om. Breathe out to prepare. Inhale.